Camels live in deserts. Hot, dry, sandy. That's what we know. But 3 million years ago, camels were giants, 10 feet tall at the shoulder, and they lived in the Arctic, on frozen islands in Canada.
Meet Camelus, the high Arctic camel. 3.5 million years ago, it lived on Ellesmere Island in northern Canada, just 700 miles from the North Pole.
10 feet tall at the shoulder, weighed over a ton, had thick fur like a mammoth, not thin desert hair. Scientists found the fossils in 2009 in the Arctic and couldn't believe it. Camel bones where there's ice. 6 months of darkness, temperatures far below zero. Camels evolved in the cold, not the heat.
Thick fur for minus 40 degrees. Broad feet for walking on snow. The opposite of desert camels. Built for ice, not sand.
How did camels survive? The Arctic? That thick fur trapped heat. Those broad feet distributed weight on snow like snowshoes. And that famous camel hump? Stored fat for the 6-month winter when plants were buried under ice. Scientists analyzed the collagen in the fossils. It matched modern camels perfectly. These weren't distant relatives. These were true camels. And here's the shocking part. Camels evolved in North America, in the Arctic, then migrated across Beringia to Asia to Africa, where they became desert animals. We had it backwards the whole time. Fossil leg bones, found in frozen ground, 700 miles from the North Pole. Collagen analysis proved it. True camels living in Arctic, darkness and ice. Then, 2 million years ago, the climate changed, got colder, much colder. Ice ages intensified. The Arctic forests, where camels browsed, disappeared, replaced by permanent ice. And the camels couldn't adapt to nothing. Some populations migrated south, crossed the Bering Land Bridge to Asia, eventually becoming desert camels. But the Arctic population? Within 1 million years, the Arctic camels were gone, replaced by musk oxen and caribou that could eat frozen tundra plants that camels could not.